When working with Word, it's important to understand the names of the parts of your screen. For example, looking at the very top of my screen, I have an area known as the title bar. To the right of the title bar, it is telling me I'm in Microsoft Word, and to the left of the title bar, it's telling me the name of the document I'm currently viewing. The name of the document is currently called Document 1. To the very left of the title bar is an area known as the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is designed to hold shortcut buttons. At present, we have a button to save, a button to undo, and a button to repeat. The Quick Access Toolbar can hold many buttons, but in a short span of time when we start adding buttons to the toolbar, it'll start banging heads with the title bar, and particularly the name of the document. So I believe the Quick Access Toolbar should not be above what they call the ribbon. The ribbon is this large panel here. I believe the Quick Access Toolbar should be below the ribbon. If you click the Customize Quick Access Toolbar button on the far right of the Quick Access Toolbar, you'll be able to click the option Show Below the Ribbon. If we click this option, the toolbar is now below the ribbon, and now we have all this room here to add shortcuts to make working with Word nice and easy, and it's not competing with any other part of the screen.